Alright guys, today I'm doing a review on this CLIF bar. This is chocolate brownie. These are on sale. So they were in the health section, they're on sale, so I picked up the box. So let me show you the back. If you guys want to read this, you can pause the video. But here's the nutrient panel. Okay, so it's basically 21 grams of sugar, but if you look carefully here, it says it contains soy, barley, and oats, but may contain wheat and traces of rye and milk. So I always have people asking me for snack options, so we're going to do a quick taste test, and be right back. Okay, so check that out. That's what it looks like. So we're going to do a quick taste test. Just be aware it does have quite a bit of sugar, but see how it tastes. It is very chewy and does have a lot of chocolate flavor to it, and it is kind of sweet. So definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, please subscribe to the channel. Very chewy and